Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Tele 2.0. In this video we're going to see how to use PowerPoint as a simple background removal. For example, we have some images. Those images we need to remove the background. So there are this you can do it in Photoshop, and number of good softwares are available. But here we are not going to use any softwares of that sort. Rather than that, I'm going to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so I'll just open Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm just opening a blank screen. Okay, so here I'm just choosing a layout of transparent. I'm choosing a layout transparent layout. Okay, blank layout. I'll choose the image which I want to remove the background. So I'll choose the picture. Say I'm choosing my picture itself. I'm just inserting it. So this is my picture. Now I want to remove all the background. Okay, so removal of background is quite easy in Microsoft PowerPoint itself, inbuilt tool. See, as soon as I have this picture is enabled, you can see the format tab is enabled. Here you have an option called remove background. As soon as I click on remove background, you see automatically it does something. You can see all areas are marked into pink, which means that those areas are removed. Whichever area is shown, those areas are actually kept. You can click some other space. Okay, you can see all others are removed, but this is not what we require. So we will actually do this now. I'm again going for format. I'll press on remove background. By default, this is the pattern it chooses. Now actually these areas I need to retain. So you see, I have two options here: mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove. So I'll specify what are the areas to keep. I'll just click on mark areas to keep. I'm just drawing a line. See, just I'm drawing a line. So what are the areas I need to keep? So I'm just drawing lines, the areas which I need to retain. So slowly it will converge. So I'm selecting all the areas which are required. Okay, so almost we have got it, and finally these regions also will add up, and here we have some portions which portion I will include. Okay, so almost the video the portions have been restored. We need to just have some more places we have to touch upon. Okay, almost all the places have been touched. Okay, so again here the air region, I'll just draw it, the regions that I need. Actually I'm just retaining all those areas. Okay, so whichever area is required, I'm just drawing lines. Fine. Okay, so almost the required area is came. Now we have to remove this particular part. So I'll just click on mark areas to remove, just draw a line. Now see, completely the background region has been removed. Okay, now if I just click on here on, or I can click on keep changes. Okay, I'll just click outside the image, automatically the background is gone. Now my image is simple without any background. Okay, to test whether the background is removed or not, I can just change the background. I'll just go to format background. I'll just use some picture. You can see the background is completely removed. Now I can just save this image with this background transparency. Right click on this image, give a save as picture. So wherever you wish to save, so I'll just give a name. By default it gives a name as picture1.png. just give a save. Okay, so it will be saved in the desktop. There's no need to save this PowerPoint. Okay, so it will be automatically saved in the desktop as image with a background transparent. Okay, so this is how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint to remove the background. Thank you viewers.